Web page links inside Instagram are a common occurrence nowadays, but facing an error message every time you click a link on Instagram can be annoying. So if you are also facing the same problem, then here's how to fix it. Temporary glitches with the Instagram app can cause it to become unresponsive. So the best way to solve this is by killing the app and opening it again. To force stop Instagram on your Android phone, long press on its app icon and tap the iInfo icon from the menu that appears. Then tap the Force Stop option. Now open the Instagram app again to see if the links open normally. For iPhone users, swipe up from the bottom of the screen to bring up the app switcher. Swipe up on the Instagram card to kill the app. Now open the Instagram app again to see if the links open normally. The next fix involves clearing Instagram's in-app browser data to see if that fixes the issue. The in-app browser collects cache and cookies as you browse within the app, so clearing that might fix it. To do that, open the Instagram app on your phone. Now tap any link to access the in-app browser. Tap the 3 vertical dots menu icon at the top right corner and select Browser Settings. Tap the Clear button next to Browsing Data. Then select Clear Browsing Data to confirm. If Instagram links are not opening even after you clear the browsing data, you can try opening links in an external browser, such as Chrome or Safari. To do that, open the Instagram app on your phone. Now tap any link to access the in-app browser. Now tap the 3 vertical dots menu icon in the top right corner and select Open in Chrome. So normally, when you tap a link inside Instagram, your Android phone opens it inside the Instagram app instead of your web browser. However, that may not happen if you have previously restricted the Instagram app from opening supported links on your phone. Please note that this is an Android-only process. iPhones do not support this feature. So here's how you can fix that. Long press on the Instagram app icon and tap the I icon from the menu that appears. Tap on Set as Default. Enable the toggle next to Open Supported Links. That's it. Lastly, if none of the fixes worked for you, then you should try updating the Instagram app on your iPhone and Android phone. So to do that, open the App Store on your iPhone or the Play Store on your Android phone. Now search for Instagram. Tap on it. Now check if an update is available. Hopefully, these fixes should fix your Instagram links not working on Android and on iPhone. If you like this guide, make sure to follow and subscribe to Guiding Tech for more tutorials related to your everyday technology. And make sure to check out one of these videos we think you might enjoy.